When we see explosions like we have in AI, we look to exponential growth curves, right? Those are curves where we're seeing a doubling or something along those lines every year. And it's not just increasing at a relatively steady state. Really, we're looking at first hardware. There are computers called GPUs. They were designed specifically for gaming. But what we found is that they're actually really good at doing very complicated algorithmic work like deep learning and artificial intelligence. Second is open source frameworks. So to engage in deep learning, if you were around 10 years ago and you wanted to deploy a neural net, you had to build a lot of it from scratch. And trust me when I say these are very hard to build from scratch. The good news is that Google decided to open source TensorFlow. There are packages like Caris and Caffe. There's probably a half dozen out there that I've actually displayed in that middle graph that not only are open source and widely available to every data science student out there, but they are growing. And then finally, when we have hardware and software, we still need people to be able to run those software packages on that hardware to derive results and interpret them. Once again, we see this exponential growth curve on the right-hand side of the screen. That means that we are seeing a relative doubling of data scientists almost every year.